Alright, all set up. Let's give this thing a startup. I think that was a pretty good startup. Let it run a bit and check the air temperature. We're running in here, so sounds good on this side of it. Sounding pretty good. Air check number 1. Already down to 62, so we're definitely working. Let's do check number 2. Moving in the right direction. It's been running about 5 minutes, so that's what it sounded like. Suction line is getting cold-ish. A little warm. Just let it keep running. Temp's already gone from 77 to 75. See how we're getting here. Beautiful. That's cooling well. And a few moments later, the thermostat is satisfied. So once again, this has been startup of the 2021 Carrier 3.5 ton AC unit. Thank you for watching.